Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you can reduce your this or how to remove your background noise in the OBS studio. Well, the audio which you're listening is the audio which has the background noise suppressed. Well, in order to do it, what you have to do is click on, first of all, create a scene, and in here just input your mic or aux as the source. Here just click on these three dots over here, go to filters. Here you would find an option known as noise suppression. Just choose the highest quality noise suppression. It will most probably work for everyone. In order to choose the highest quality noise suppression, you would have to click on this plus button over here. Here you would find this noise suppression. Just click on it and your noise suppression would be added. If it's still not working, what you could do is you can just click and you could add the noise gate. Noise gate would also suppress your noise, but it's for people who have a higher what should I say, you can actually differentiate between the noise and your voice. Noise gate, what it does is that it removes all the noise below few decibels. So I recommend mainly noise suppression. If it's not working, you can try the noise gate. If I'm just going to show you my audio without the noise suppression, I'll just delete it. Yes, I'll just close it. This is my audio without noise suppression, and I'm just going to go to filters and add on noise suppression. This is my audio with noise suppression. I hope you can feel the difference. Try it out. If it was useful to you, just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video, and do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button to the subscribe button if you want more such videos. It's me Surya Prakash from Protech Genius signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.